Hey everyone, Chris here again. I've got these two beads here. If I can get the focus. Sorry, these two are a matching set, and they're green pearl with a black stripe in it. Okay, and then they measure in. What do I do? My calipers here a second. Sorry about that. Having some camera malfunction. These things here are ½ inch by ½ inch, I'm going to say. ½ inch, yeah, roughly ½ inch by ½ inch, maybe a little bit wider. They're sold as a pair, so this way you can either put them together or you can split them up. Put one on your knife and the other one on your flashlight, so you have a matching, contrasting selection of beads with your gear. And again, they can be used as something like this, like a zipper pull, a paracord bracelet, paracord lanyard, stuff like that. So go over to fiddlebone.com and check them out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow us over at what's that place called? Oh man, I forget the name of it. Instagram. Yeah, that's it. All right, so hey, thanks for watching, and you have a wonderful day.